Is it time to buy or sell SoundHound AI stock? In this video, we will explore SoundHound AI in depth. Our initial report was published on our website on Thursday, the 10th of April, 2025, and we are now here to provide you with an even more comprehensive analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analyses. You definitely do not want to miss any important updates that could affect your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool, which is powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Harness the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analyses for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be regarded as financial advice. Since April 10th, 2025, our system has categorized SoundHound AI as a sell candidate, assigning it a score of negative 2.12. Now, let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. We will continue to observe this evaluation to see how it develops in the upcoming days. The stock currently resides in the midst of a broad and declining trend in the short term, indicating further potential declines within this pattern. The ongoing 3-month trend points to a possible change of negative 45.05% over the upcoming 3 months, with a potential return fluctuating between negative 53.68% and negative 32.94%. In terms of a longer perspective, our 12-month analysis forecasts a projected change of 63.58%. According to our calculations, the stock's performance could vary from 44.92% to 443.35% over the next year. This would suggest that the future price might range between $11.88 and $44.55. Our latest daily update for SoundHound AI includes the headline, "A very red day for SoundHound AI Incorporated stock price after a decline of 7.13% in the Thursday trading session." The SoundHound AI Incorporated stock price fell by 7.13% on the last trading day, Thursday, the 10th of April, 2025, from $8.83 to $8.20. During this trading session, the stock fluctuated by 7.77%, reaching a low of $7.85 and a high of $8.46. The price has decreased in 6 of the last 10 days and is down by 7.66% during this period. Interestingly, volume fell on the last day alongside the stock price, which is typically a positive indication, as volume should align with stock performance. On the last day, the trading volume decreased by 20 million shares, with a total of 25 million shares traded for approximately $204.11 million. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price recorded was $24.98, while the lowest was $3.50. Currently, the price is 67.17%, or $16.78, below the 52-week high of $24.98, which also marks the all-time high for the stock. SoundHound AI, Incorporated, trading under the ticker symbol SOUN, is currently facing significant legal challenges as multiple law firms have announced a class action lawsuit on behalf of investors. This lawsuit alleges violations of federal securities laws and centers around claims of misleading statements regarding the company's business operations during the period from May 10, 2024 to March 3, 2025. Investors who sustained losses during this time frame are being encouraged to act swiftly, as May 27, 2025 is the deadline for seeking appointment as lead plaintiffs in this case. The potential for compensation under contingency fee arrangements may attract many investors to participate in the lawsuit. In the short term, this legal situation could negatively impact SOUN's stock price, as fear and uncertainty often lead to sell-offs among shareholders. If the allegations are substantiated, the long-term implications could be even more severe, affecting investor confidence and possibly leading to regulatory scrutiny. Conversely, if SoundHound successfully defends against these claims, it could stabilize the stock and restore investor faith, paving the way for a recovery in its share price. Overall, investors will be watching this situation closely as developments unfold. Analyst ratings. On Wednesday, the 18th of September, 2024, it was reported that H.C. Wainwright assigned SOUN a rating of underperform along with a hold action. On Wednesday, the 18th of September, 2024, it was reported that Wedbush assigned SOUN a rating of buy along with a hold action. On Wednesday, the 18th of September, 2024, it was reported that H.C. Wainwright assigned SOUN a rating of buy along with a hold action. On Friday, the 9th of August, 2024, it was reported that Wedbush assigned SOUN a rating of outperform along with a hold action. On Friday, the 9th of August, 2024, it was reported that Cantor Fitzgerald assigned SOUN a rating of overweight along with an upgrade action. Analysts have assigned SoundHound AI stock a general strong sell rating. They classify the price-to-earnings ratio as strong sell, and the price-to-book ratio also as strong sell. Regarding return on investment, the analysts similarly provide a strong sell rating for the stock. The following signals have been identified for SoundHound AI. A buy signal was issued from a pivot bottom point on Tuesday, the 8th of April, 2025, and so far, it has risen by approximately 14.21%. Further increases are indicated until a new top pivot is established. However, some negative signals have also been issued, which may influence the near short-term development. The stock of SoundHound AI, Inc. currently holds a buy signal based on the short-term moving average. Conversely, the long-term average presents a general sell signal. Since the long-term average is above the short-term average, there is a prevailing sell signal for the stock, leading to a more negative forecast. In the event of further gains, the stock will encounter resistance from the long-term moving average at $9.20. Should the stock decline, it will find support from the short-term average at $8.01. A breakout above the long-term average will generate another buy signal, while a drop below the short-term average will introduce an additional sell signal and reinforce the general outlook. Additionally, currently, there is a sell signal stemming from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or MACD. Volume decreased alongside the price during the last trading day, which reduces the overall risk, as volume typically follows price movements. Here are some additional signals that may interest you. Moving average convergence divergence indicates a sell signal. Pivots indicated a buy signal 3 days ago. Short-term moving average indicated a buy signal 3 days ago. Long-term moving average indicated a buy signal 58 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicated a buy signal 61 days ago. Observing the 12-month chart, we can see short moving average indicated a sell signal 13 days ago. Long-term moving average indicated a sell signal 40 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicated a buy signal 26 days ago. For more signals, visit our page at StockInvest.us. Support, risk, and stop loss for SoundHound AI. On the downside, the stock finds support just below today's level from accumulated volume at $7.60 and $7.32. There is a natural risk involved when a stock is testing a support level, as a breach could lead to a decline toward the next support level. In this case, SoundHound AI Incorporated finds support just below today's level at $7.60. If this level is broken, the next support from accumulated volume will be at $7.32 and $7.18. This stock may exhibit significant movement throughout the day, indicating high volatility. Additionally, with a large prediction interval from the Bollinger Band, this stock is considered to be high risk. During the last day, the stock fluctuated 610 cents between its high and low, which represents a change of 7.77%. Over the past week, the stock has experienced an average daily volatility of 18.97%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for SoundHound AI, let's briefly review some essential fundamental data. First, we have the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly referred to as the PE ratio. This important metric measures a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. A negative PE ratio indicates that the company is experiencing losses or negative earnings. Even well-established companies can face downturns, often due to factors outside their control. However, a pattern of consistently negative PE ratios may suggest inadequate profitability and potential bankruptcy risks. In other news, the next earnings report for the first quarter of 2025 is anticipated on the 8th of May, 2025. Analysts currently expect a consensus estimate of -7 cents. It's important to monitor these figures, as they can significantly affect stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for SoundHound AI. In case of an upward trend, the first resistance level for SoundHound AI is at $9.21. If you do not own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be a level to consider for swing trading. On the downside, SoundHound AI encounters its first support level at $7.60. If this support level holds, it could be a favorable entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for SoundHound AI from multiple analyst sources is a strong sell. Now, let's examine some recent insider trades. On the 20th of March, 2025, James Ming Hong conducted an insider sale of 28,388 shares of Class A common stock. On the 24th of March, 2025, James Ming Hong conducted an insider sale of 51,196 shares of Class A common stock. On the 20th of March, 2025, Kevin Mohajer conducted an insider sale of 118,605 shares of Class A common stock. On the 24th of March, 2025, Kevin Mohajer conducted an insider sale of 138,895 shares of Class A common stock. On the 20th of March, 2025, Nitesh Sharan conducted an insider sale of 48,639 shares of Class A common stock. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, we found the insider power to be negative, with a ratio of -10.801. In total, insiders purchased 6,311,191 shares and sold 6,944,269 shares in the last 100 trades. We hold a negative evaluation for this stock, and currently, no stop loss has been established. Is SoundHound AI stock a good buy? SoundHound AI Inc. presents several negative indicators, and we anticipate that its performance will remain weak in the upcoming days or weeks. Consequently, we maintain a negative assessment of this stock. Due to some minor weaknesses in the technical analysis, we have revised our recommendation from a hold or accumulate to a sell candidate since our last evaluation. After examining the volatility and movements from the previous trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Friday, the 11th of April, we expect SoundHound AI to open lower by 3 cents and begin trading at $8.17. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money. It is essential to consult with a financial advisor before making any decisions regarding the purchase or sale of securities. Your investment decisions should not rely solely on the information provided by StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? We invite you to comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for this stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day with warm regards from everyone here at StockInvest.